Hey, it's Fat Stormtrooper. I'm from Daft Chicken Gaming, and I've just recently unboxed some Gargoyle crates, and you never guess what. Oh, yeah, of course you guessed it. But I got some more. So what I'm going to do is go into my backpack and say, look for Garg. How many items called Garg in TF2? We're like 40 pages of Garg. Garg. Gargoyle crates. Okay, let's start here. Okay, we're going to open this one with a key. Now, I'll accept this unusual on behalf of Gaben. El Patron. El Patron. Okay, yep, I surely am sure. Prehistoric pullover. Not even a freaking nuts and bolts effect. Oh, and this is why you don't waste your money, boys and girls. You never profit from uncrating unless you're so freaking lucky you kiss God's asshole. Oh, a thrilling tracksuit. I think that would be thrilling if you wore it near where I lived. You get beaten up. Yeah, I'm sure about this. Oh, that's repetitive. Fucking bitch. What else can possibly go wrong? The face of mercy. Oh my god. There's a special on thrilling freaking tracksuits. A dueling game. That's pretty fucked. Now, let's see what else I got. Holy shit, Sherlock! This is crap, man. Just out with it, man. Really? Fucking really? OMG. Holy shit, I wouldn't mind wearing that to work. Oh, great. Okay, what do you reckon this is going to be? Anything useful? Surely. It's a crip boot. Fuck. Okay, there's a few more crates down here. We might find an unusual. El Patron! Fuck off, El Patron! Give me a freaking unusual. Who else could this? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nothing. Nothing. Not even a strange. Not the fucking thing, man. Oh, God. This is one of the weakest sets, I reckon, Gargoyle crates. Oh my god, we won everything! Fucking cripple leg. Fair enough. Oh yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Flippin' awesome unusualifier. Wow. That doesn't fucking beat all. There you go. There you go, one unusual. It's only a taunt, but hey, it's better than being shot in the dick. Only just, but still better. Oh. Oh. That's weird. Okay, 2 items that I wouldn't... Oh. I don't want that. Fuck off. I didn't really want that. I wanted to open it with a key I already had, governor. Oh, it's a robot leg. It's yeah, it's that, yeah! I think I'm getting the end of my items. That is so fucking ugly. Like Hannibal Lecter. Oh. So I've got 2 items that are sort of okay. Now let's have a look at the next one. Just fucking great. Okay, so out of that little booty we got this baby here, which is a Strange Dead Alive Assassin Grade Cosmetic Augmentation, which is actually quite a good one, okay? This one here is also a Strange, a Reboot. So we've got 2 Strangers, and, you know, I guess... Maybe we should sort of maybe dress someone up and see what we can dress somebody up in the collection. See what it looks like. So let's go to items, and the NG seems to have the most items. The problem is I don't want to necessarily dress down any of my NGs. Oh, that one's just too good to... Oh man, you are so sexy. Sexy boy. Yeah. That's... Okay. Let's try polar pullover green energy. Let's place it for that. What does that do? Oh. What does it do? It's on the back of the head, so it's like a misc. I wonder if you could actually get that in myths, in unusual. I would be really interested to know. So what I'm going to try and do is go and find that robot leg. Where's that Roblox the Reboot Strange. Okay, and get rid of the viewfinder, and that's from the... I think I have one from that same collection. Oh Godfather, give me a break! Hattypuss. Oh, whoa, there you go. So that's what you look if you dress with things from that collection. The Pom's on 600 is of course not. If you want to sort of make it more probably the Short Circuit was the next thing. Is there anything else that's more like probably the Gunslinger? This Construction PCA, well I haven't got BDO, that'll have to stand, and I mean you probably get something more machinery looking than that. Yeah, I can't find anything else that's really Teddy. God, doesn't he look spastic? Oh my God. Okay, well I'm ready to spaz out the world. Mate, you're probably actually better doing one of those, what are they called? Not viewfinder. A viewfinder is actually pretty mechanical. It's pretty cool. The one that's purposely built for the Engie, they I don't know if we can wear it though. Let's have a look. Come on, where are you, you bastard? Bastard, bastard. Nope. That one there, the virtual reality headset. I am the Borg. You will be assimilated. So that's my Borg loadout there. So there you go. The cutest of Borg. Yep. So that's the Borg loadout, and I'll piece it out with that.